Welcome to Life Cycle of Butterfly. The life cycle of a butterfly is an amazing journey that starts from an egg and ends with a beautiful adult butterfly. It is an interesting process for kids to learn about and explore. These creatures have four transparent or see-through wings that are often bright and colorful. Butterfly comes in the all colors of rainbow. But did you know the life cycle of a butterfly has four stages? Well, we are about to find out. The life cycle of a butterfly has four stages. First stage is egg, second stage is larva, third stage is pupa, and the final stage is adult butterfly. Let's begin with its first stage. It all begins when a female butterfly lays her eggs. Inside these eggs, caterpillar begin to grow. Once an egg is ready to hatch, and out comes of larva. It is also known as caterpillar. It only takes 3 to 6 days for a caterpillar to develop inside the egg and then hatch. Once the baby caterpillar is born, it can eat the leaves it was attached to it for food. When the caterpillar is hatched, it is called the larva phase or the second stage of its life. This stage lasts until the caterpillar grows to adulthood, which takes about 5 to 10 days. The caterpillar also has strong jaws and it lives for food. As the caterpillar grows bigger, it outgrows its skin. It sheds its skin because it gets too big for it. Some caterpillars shed their skin 4 times before they become fully grown. Fully grown for a caterpillar is about 2 inches in length. Stage 3 is called the pupa stage. During this stage, the caterpillar or larva attaches itself to a branch or the underside of a leaf using a bit of silk it produces. For a final time, the caterpillar sheds its skin. This time is called a hard skin underneath called a chrysalis. During the pupa stage, the cells of a caterpillar turn into cells of a butterfly. This process is called metamorphosis. It is one of the nature's most amazing occurrences. When the butterfly emerges from the chrysalis, the pupa stage ends and the fourth and final stage of its life cycle begins. Now, butterfly is an adult. This is how it completed its journey.